I am from the IT, na? So I was like working as a work from home mode from my native place Varanasi, right? So suddenly like my company announced like we have to come back to Noida here and start coming office right after the pandemic. So like renting was like I found renting a very easy way to like set up the home in very quick time. So that's why I decided to go for the rent. I decided to go for rental because like it saved my time. Like here while I renting the products, I don't have to go outside to pick and choose the product, right? Like Cityfurnish give us a platform where you easily can choose and select product according to your need, and it saves lots of time and also money as well. In my case, no, I never doubt on renting because before going on platform and choose for renting, I first like decided to go for the reviews, right? So I gone through the website and read all the reviews. So I found like after watching videos and testimonials and feedbacks from other customer, and also after comparing with other website, then I decided to go for this. So there was never any doubt. Here like I am continuously using the Cityfurnish service since last 3 years. So like my experience was like quite good here. Like first time when I reached out to the Cityfurnish team, like team was very supportive, and I got the contact number from the different type of teams who's ready to support here, right? So I never face any type of issue, any challenges like when I go for the first time, even at the time of renewal as well.